This is a DIYNate production. Thanks for watching. Today I want to share a little bit with you about one of the big reasons I created DIYNate to begin with. I was getting a ton of great information off of videos. I would search for things on my phone and oh man, it's just the best thing in the world using YouTube. And so with that, I started getting the feeling of, hey, I could probably create some content like this and help other people out. I ran into a project that really inspired me to drive it, my refrigerator repair. I could not find the video I was looking for, and I figured if anybody else had the same make and model, maybe I could help them solve their problem before they went through the headaches that I got into. Posted that, and over the years, I have kind of started creating more content of just things that I felt would be helpful for people. So my videos typically aren't overly professional. You can look at the background here. You kind of get the idea of, I mean, clearly Home Depot fan. Used to work there for many years. Check out this video. I'm going to talk to you a little bit about using YouTube to help you solve your problems. I had a great example this week where it helped me solve one of my problems, actually with my video creation efforts. And so great video I got promoting one of the other folks who I just enjoyed his video. So today I'm going to show you how to use YouTube to help you find what you're looking for to solve your problems. So today I actually go out to a browser. Google is the one I tend to use. And so in this case, I'm going to use a very simple search. Issue with iPhone not allowing videos to be transferred via cable to my computer. It's a really specific one, as you can see. So I've already typed that in, and I just said, hey, here's the problem I'm facing. So I searched it, and I found this great video right here, how to fix iPhone download error, a device attached to the. And I said, hey, 1 minute and 56 seconds. It's a YouTube video, I know. So I'm just going to click on this video.
Job.
And I skip the ad. And so now,
Hey guys, Rivers here with Tech Connect, and today
Rivers is about to tell me how to fix my my problem on YouTube. And so I watched this video, and about halfway through, this solved my problem and showed me exactly where to go on my iPhone to fix the problem. Then I went in, I hit the like button because I thought Rivers did a great job building this video, and I threw a comment out there for him too. Yep, there's my comment. Showed him that, hey, I cared about his video because, hey, he saved me hours of time. You know, years past, people would have called tech support to get help with their iPhone and figure out, hey, why, when I connect to my computer, can I not pull my videos over without it disconnecting? Well, Rivers had the answer for me in about less than a minute. And so this is an example of how I use YouTube to help me solve my day-to-day problems. I've got several videos myself that I've kind of created, and I see other people using my videos like that. You can also make it full screen if you want to watch the full version of it. But again, just a great example of how somebody out here on YouTube, this guy did a great job showing me how to solve my problem. And so that's part of what I do, is my mission with DIYNate is to show other people how to solve their own problems. This specific video is for anybody who may not know how to use YouTube to solve their own problems. So I wanted to create a simple video and also kind of give you a little background of why I do what I do in these DIYNate videos. So again, thanks for watching. Really appreciate all the feedback, the support. And don't forget to like, thumbs up, subscribe, all that good stuff. Feel free to check out my website as well. You'll see it in the comments. Thank you again for watching.